This is Cambridge International Examination Mathematics paper 1. The variant is 1 and so it is paper 11. The time is October-November 2017. Okay, so let's start the first question. The first question is about fractions and we have to evaluate. So evaluate means we have to give the answer in a number, in a numerical form. So to solve these fractions, first we have to convert this. This is mixed fraction. Okay, so convert this into a improper fraction. So 8 multiplied by 1 is 8 and 8 plus this 3 is 11. 11 over 8 minus and 2 over 3. Okay, so LCM, if we take the LCM of 8 and 3, the LCM is 24. Let me write LCM over here. LCM is 24. Okay, so to make this, we have to make the denominator of the both of the fraction 24, and to make this denominator 24, I have to multiply it by this 3 in the denominator and 3 in the numerator. And to make this fraction, to make the denominator of this fraction 24, I have to multiply 8 here as well as 8 here. And now these fractions will become 11 3 is 33 over 24 minus 16 over 24. And now the denominator of both the fractions are same. I have to just subtract these numerators. So 33 minus 16 is 17 and it is 17 over 24. So this is our final solution. And the B part is again evaluate, and these are the decimal numbers. So in these decimals, just I have to multiply these numbers with just taking as there is no decimal. So 13 multiplied by 4 is it is 4 3 is 12, 1 carry, 4 1s are 4 and 1 is 5. It is 52. And if you see this is the decimal is on the one place. Here it is also this is one place decimal, so 1 plus 1 2. So here the decimal will be on the two places, so it is 1 2. So decimal will be over here, and the final answer is it is 0.52. Question number 2. Question number 2 is about indices, and we have to evaluate again. And evaluate mean we have to give solution in numerical form. 9 power 2 is 9 square, it is 81, minus 9 power 0, anything power 0 is always 1, so 1, so it is 80. The final answer is 80. And the part B is evaluate this. So whenever you have to evaluate the indices or index number, the power should be positive. So it is negative power. Let me focus on this question. It is 9 power minus 1 over 2. To make power positive, I have to switch, bring it down. It is 9 power plus 1 over 2 now. And remember, the power 1 over 2 is basically, it is a square root. And square root, in square root the power, it is considered that power is 1 over 2. So okay, so square root of 9 is 3. So therefore the final answer solution is 1 over 3. Now let's come to the question number next one. The next question, which is question number 3. Let me. This is about interest. It is about simple interest. Question 3, part A. Find the simple interest on $200 for 3 years at the rate of 4% per year. Okay, so there are two ways to solve this question. Either you should use formula. The formula is I is equal to PRT over 100, or you can also use a simple percentage method. So let me explain you in the both ways. So we have to kind of find a simple interest. This I is simple interest, and P is the principal value, the value which this is the principal value, 200. Let me put 200 over here. And rate, this percentage of 4% is rate 4, and the time is 3 years, 3. So over 100, after simplification, this 100 will cancel with these two zeros, and 4 3s are 12, and 12 24. So the solution is $24. So simple interest on $200 for 3 years at the rate of 4% is $24. So the second way is very straightforward way. First calculate the 4% of 200, which is 8. This is $8. This is $8 is for 1 year, and then multiply with it 3. So you will get again 24. Let's come to the B part now. This B part is about ratio, and in this ratio you have two brothers share $200 in the ratio of 2:3. So this is sharing ratio. Calculate the large share. So this is the larger share. So what we have to first, we have to add these two. These ratios are considered to be the parts, 2 parts and 3 parts. So the total parts are 5 parts. So first we have to divide this $200 by 5 parts. It will become $40 over 1. So $200 will be distributed among into 5 parts. After simplification, it will give us that $40 will be given. $40 are for 1 part. So the larger part will receive 3 parts. So for 1 part it is $40, and for 3 part we have to multiply. It is $120. So the larger part will be $120. And some people, they also do like this. This is larger part, so they and the total part 2 plus 3 is 5. So they do this 3 over 5, and we have to and the total amount is 200. So if we simplify, 40, and this 40 into 3 is 120 again. Okay, question number 4 is it is about estimation. Okay, so question 4, by writing each number correct to one significant figure and calculate an estimate for the value of this one. So first we have to round this number correct to one significant figure. So this number can be written as a one significant figure. So this is 987.65. So if I convert this into a one significant figure, so this is first significant figure, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, and this is fifth significant figure. So this is first significant figure. So then before rounding it to the correct to one sig fig, first I have to see what is the number on the right hand side. This number on the right hand side is 8, which is more than 5, which is greater than 5. So before rounding up, I have to round this number up. It will become 10, and the rest of these two numbers will become zeros, and I will remove the decimal part. So this numerator have been rounded, uh, I have converted this number up to the correct to one significant figure. It will become this 1000 divided by the second number, which is in the denominator, 0.0193. And I hope you know that these zeros are not considered significant figure. So this is our first significant figure. So before converting this number to the correct to one sig fix, so I have to see what is the next number. This number is 9, which is more than 1. So I have to round this number up. So this will become 0.02, and then I will remove these two digits here. Okay, so it will become, so now I am going to simplify this. I have to going to estimate this value. So this number has converted into 1000 divided by 0.02, and you know that it is 1000, and if I convert, oh sorry, if I remove the decimal, I will put 100 here, and this number will become 2. And let me simplify. 2 ones are, and 2 fives are 10, 50, and if I multiply the 50, this the answer, final answer is 5000. So after converting the number correct to one significant figures, so the calculation has become very easy. So the final answer is this 5000.